Hello everyone, my name is Amit and in this video I'm going to teach you each and every step how to code on Python. Okay, first of all I will try to walk you through how to install Python, then we'll do the code together in Python. So Python is very good language in terms of if you want to create your own web application or website, if you want to utilize this skill in machine learning or maybe data analytics, data science, etc. Okay, so the motivation behind learning Python could be anything for you, and it's a very good programming language in terms of if you want to get a better pay package job or better salary thing, etc. So yeah, let's start this journey without wasting any time. Okay, so very first thing what you have to do is first go to python.org and download the Python actually. So what you need to do is just type python.org URL in your web browser, then select download, and you will find here the latest version of Python. Okay, so whatever is available, whatever is the available version, please click on that and it will start downloading the Python for you. Meanwhile it's getting downloaded, you have to do other thing, which is basically okay, so yeah, this is PyCharm available here, so just click download here. Okay, meanwhile this gets navigate. What we'll do will, okay, this has come, so let's do one by one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is there are two stuffs here, basically professional and community. So you can go to community if you are if you don't want to pay and just you want to use the free version of the things, and if you are using macOS or Linux operating system, then you can go corresponding environment. Okay, so I'm going to do this thing. Okay, so just click download and it will start downloading. Okay, so while we are downloading PyCharm, what you do, just go to this folder where Python have been downloaded. Okay, so where we will start our installing the Python. Okay, so this is the window has come. So what you do, just click on install now, it will install for you. Yeah, so what you need to do is just wait for some time while it is doing the process behind the scene. Yeah, so it's going to get installed. I think installation is getting completed in some time, and I can see PyCharm is also going to get downloaded. So it depends on your network speed, etc. So yeah, while it is going to take time, I'm going to take a break so that it gets downloaded. I'll come back to you. Okay, yeah, welcome back. So here if you see, my PyCharm has been installed, downloaded. Okay, if you can see, it has been downloaded here. So what you need to do, just go to the folder and yeah, so typically how we install any software in Windows, we will do the same way. So you can use any kind of IDE, okay, for whatever available for you and with whichever you are comfortable. So I generally use PyCharm, so I'm going to show you how to do the things in PyCharm. Okay, so what you do, just right click and run as administrator, so that yeah, you have all the access. So let's wait till it gets over. Yeah, so you simply need to do next, then press next here, and just go and install it. Okay, so it will take a little time to install the PyCharm in my PC. Okay, so yeah, so once it is installed, you will see all these things. Okay, just select this if you want to start immediately, and then finish it. Okay, and you can minimize this window and just wait. It will take some time to start. Yeah, so to start, what you need to do is just go to start menu and you need to type pie chart. Okay, and you will get this thing, and you can start by clicking this. Then just accept your policy. Yeah, now my pie chart is going to get started. Okay, so this will show you in this kind of a window, and what you do is yeah, so if you see here right now it's showing like three options for me: create new project, open, get from version control. Okay, so I'm going to start with from here, create new project, to quickly start, and you will see all these things. So if you want to give the location where you want to type the program, so I'm going to give right now as hello world. Okay, so generally any programming language, if you consider, this is kind of a very first program. Okay, so just create it and you will get your screen here. Okay, it will do some initial setup. Okay, so it will give you some tips, basically how to run, debug, shortcuts, etc. Okay, so if you want, you can go through and read it. Otherwise, simply close this and wait for some time, and let it do, you know, whatever it's seeking for time actually. Okay, because sometimes software you know, behind the scene, they do a lot of stuffs actually which we are not aware. So don't be in a hurry. Okay, so that otherwise what will happen is it will get hanged. So it depend on your PC speed, etc. It how much time it's going to take for you. Yeah, so now it's all set up actually. So what we'll do, like, just maximize it, and if you see here, this is my project's been created initially. So just right click here and go to new and go to the Python file. Okay, now you give whatever you want to give the name initial. So I'm just giving hello world.py as my file name. Just press enter. Okay, and once you will press enter, this kind of window will appear. Okay, this is your code editor where you will be writing the code. Okay, so I'm just going to press this thing so that it can collapse here, and I can, now it's ready for, you know, starting I mean, now it's ready to write the code actually. Okay, so very first program, I'm just going to write here print hello world. Okay, so what this is going to do is just a very simple statement. In any of programming language, if you are working, you will this kind of you will see this kind of a statement, print statement, printf, or it could be any other thing in any other language. Okay, so what it's going to do is, the output window, whatever you will write inside this print statement, it is going to print into your console. Okay, so to run this program, what you have to do, you just go to this run here, and here it is giving you the shortcut also, like Alt Shift F10. If you want to go through the Alt Shift F10, generally I go to shortcuts, so it increase my productivity. So click here. Now it will give you option edit configuration or other thing. Initially it is not giving you other option. in some time it will go give another options to run this particular application. Just wait for some time to make it happen. Okay, so let me try again. Yeah, if you see here, now this thing is coming, hello world. Okay, just click here, and if you see here, now here the output is coming. This is like my console, okay, where I'm getting my result, okay, whatever I am typing. So if you want to run another program, let's consider name equal to, for example, your name is Peter. Okay, so what you can do here is print name. Okay, and again if I run this program, so if you see here, Peter has been printed here. Okay, so what I have done here is I have taken a variable. Actually, if you know the variable is nothing but it's like a memory location where it holds the memory. So basically this Peter string has been this Python interpreter, what it will do, convert this thing into a binary 010, this kind of bits actually, and it will store into a memory. So that memory location that we call generally variable. So name is nothing but it's variable, and it's holding a string element here right now. So so basically we have assigned this Peter string to this name variable here, and then I'm printing this name into the next statement. So what happens is Python interpreter execute statement one by one. So first statement has been executed and it has printed here hello world in the output window. Then the next statement has been executed, and the consequently third statement has been executed. And if you see here, my output is hello world, and then Peter has been printed out here. Okay, so this is a very simple program which we have written here. Okay, so let's try some more interesting stuff here. Okay, before we go ahead for more complex stuff, etc. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is let's take another couple more example of print statement. Like if you see here, if I do like this star, so this is going to do a very cool thing here. So if you see here, what I'm doing is this is like a string, and I have done into 10. That means this character star, it's going to repeat it 10 times actually. So that's how it is going to print. If I will run this code, if you see here, okay, it's giving some syntax error. Okay, so let's debug it. Okay, if I do here like this, let me see what it's going to do. Okay, so let me see here. Okay, sometimes what happens, if there is a typo in previous statement, it gives the issue. So if you see, star has been repeated 10 times and it has given you the print in this way. Okay, so this is all about basic printing statement. Okay, and we have learned about the variable thing, how a typical variable store the string element. Okay, and how we can print it out. Okay, just try your own different statement, how you can print those statement. Okay, and thank you.